How to make corned beef spread at home. Remember when we used to go to Goa for holidays and come back with cartloads of Goan food? Buying po-e bread from Mapusa market, doughs from Simonia's, and cashew nuts from everywhere. Enjoying fresh crab curry sitting around the kitchen table. Chorizo sausages and eggs for lunch. Or eating corned beef sandwiches with butter and green pav for breakfast. Corned beef from Costas used to be such a favorite. We used to come back home loaded with cans of Costas corned beef. The day it got over, we'd want to go back to Goa again. But the day we started making corned beef at home, life changed totally. Of course, it's not a brisket, but really corned beef pate, but called corned beef here in India. Used in a number of dishes, this homemade corned beef pate is easy to make and delicious. Disclaimer here, since cow beef was banned in Maharashtra in May 2017, we make corned beef pate using buffalo beef or ox beef. What ingredients do you need to make corned beef spread at home? Minced beef, buffalo/ox, or cow if you're in a place that allows you to eat it. If you prefer, you can use veal too. Saltpeter or curing salt, sugar and salt, water, bay leaves or anise flowers, and pepper powder. So here's how to make corned beef pate. East Indian and Goan style. I've modified the recipe to make it more spicy, or rather more peppery. Me thinks it tastes better. Beyonce love it too. Start by mixing the minced beef with saltpeter. I usually do this by hand so it's thoroughly mixed, and then refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours. Now make the briny liquid. In a steel vessel, add the sugar, salt, pepper powder, and bay leaves to 2 liters of water and bring it to a boil. Later add in the minced beef and mix thoroughly. Refrigerate the beef mixture and stir it once a day for 5 days. If you live in a cooler climate, there's no need to refrigerate. You can leave it outside as long as it's covered. After 5 days, boil the beef mix in the same solution on a medium flame for about 45 minutes. The beef tends to separate into lumps like you see in a Costas can. Drain the water solution, and what you have left is the corned veal or beef. Once all the water is removed, add a few tablespoons of butter to it and grind the beef with a hand blender for a smoother texture. Or leave it corny. Oops, I meant rougher like Costas. You can then shape the corned beef into logs like we do, or wrap it in cling film or saran wrap, any other wrapping you prefer. Store in airtight containers in the refrigerator or freezer depending on when you want to make use of it. Our preferred method is in sandwiches with lettuce or salad leaves for lunch. Or simple with buttered bread for breakfast. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next time.